It's me Aradhya Deshwal. Today we would be studying about integers. First of all, I would like to give you introduction about natural number and whole numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. till infinite. Whole numbers are the numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. till infinite. These are the whole numbers and natural numbers. Means natural numbers are the group of numbers which doesn't consist 0 till infinite, and whole numbers are the group of numbers which consist of 0 till infinite. And there are some more topics that we would be studying, like odd numbers, odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 0. 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 till infinite. These all are the odd numbers. Now even numbers. Even numbers are quite opposite of odd numbers. Even numbers are the group of numbers which are divisible by 2, such as 2, 0, 4, 6, 8, 10 till infinite. These are the even numbers. Now next is prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which don't have their factor. Their factor is only the number itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. etc. till infinite. They can also be infinite. And 1 is not considered as a prime number because it has only one factor, which is 1. Means you can say prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, which is number itself and 1. Next topic is composite number. Composite numbers are the numbers which have more than two factors, such as 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. till infinite. These all are the composite numbers. Numbers are the group of numbers which have more than two factors, such as 4. 4 has two factors, more than two factors, which is 2, 4 and 1. It has 3. Such as 6. 6 also has more than two factors, 3, 6, 1 and 2. Even it has 4. Means composite numbers are the numbers which have more than two factors, or we can say except of prime numbers, all the numbers are composite numbers. Now let's come to our main topic, which is integers. I would try my best to understand you about integers with an example with the help of number line. Suppose this is a line, it has a center point and some points at this side and some points at this side. This is the 0. This is 0. Numbers at the right of 0 will always be positive numbers, such as 1, 2, 3 and 4, or the normal counting number. On the left of 0, there will be negative number, -1, -2, -3, -4. Now the question arises is, which is the smallest negative number? So smallest negative number is -1. Number is 1, but smallest negative number is not 1. Smallest negative number is not 1 because it is infinite. The more we move towards left, our number decreases. and the time we move towards right, the number increases, the value of the numbers. So the smallest negative number will be infinite, yeah. And which will be the greatest negative number? It would be -1, because it is the most right number in the negative numbers. We can also understand about integers with the help of this trick. Suppose this is a basket. This is a basket. It is full of natural numbers. It is full of natural numbers. We have another basket, or you can say it is a polythene bag. It is covering the bag in which there were natural numbers, and it also has 0 in it. It has 0 in it. So what it would be? It would be whole numbers. Now we have another group of numbers. In this we have negative numbers and positive numbers both. So this would be known as whole numbers. Whole numbers are also represented by Z. Z. We can use the sign Z to represent whole numbers. Now comes at the property of integers. There are many properties of integers such as commutative, associative. So let's begin with the commutative property. Let's begin with the commutative property, in which it is the property which shows that a plus b equals to b plus a, or 2 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 2. Is it right? Yeah, you can check. Left hand side equals to right hand side. 3 plus 2 equals to 5, and 2 plus 3 is also equals to 5. So this is the commutative property. Next is associative property. This property means both the properties work over addition and multiplication both. Associative property shows a into b into c bracket equals to a into b into c. They both things mean the same. We can also check this thing with the help of an example. Suppose 2 into 3 into 2 bracket equals to 2 into 3 into 2 bracket. Let's check. 2 into 3 to the 6 equals to 6 to the 12. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 into 2 is also equals to 12. Hence verified. This is the associative property, and the upper one is the commutative property. Other is additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is a number by additive inverse are the numbers by adding them we get 0. Means, for example, we can take the help of an example. Plus 2 plus minus 2 equals to 0. Means additive inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. We can also verify. 0 plus minus subtract 2 में से 2 गए 0. This is nothing but the additive inverse. Means you can say in the simple language, additive inverse of a number will always be its opposite number. If it is minus 2, it would be plus 2. If it is plus 2, it would be minus 2. Or it is minus 10 or minus 100, it would be plus 10 or plus 100. Now next is additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity of any number will always be 0. Additive identity is a number by adding to the number we get the number itself. For example, a plus 0 equals to a. So 0 will be our additive identity. Thank you. I hope you have understood.